Hey, welcome back to the Rack Shop. We just got a shipment in of some GearPODs. So here we've got the GearPOD directly out of the box. This is what you can expect. Got the box here. Keys are zip tied to the turn knob. There is a note, read that there. By installing this GearPOD, you acknowledge that it is weather resistant, not waterproof. So don't go scuba diving with your truck. Also have the instructions, the mounting hardware with the track lock nuts. Those are really neat. Those can just drop into the track without having to disassemble anything. And then we've got the two mounting plates. So we're gonna throw these plates on the pod and throw it on the truck and I'll let you take a look. Stay tuned. Okay, before we throw this onto the truck, just want to give you a quick look. We've got the mounting plates installed on the top and on the bottom. And here we've got our hardware started. And make a note of the direction. We've got these track lock nuts horizontal, and that way it'll help us slide into the track of the ACS rack, and then we can tighten it up. So just a quick look here. Now we'll go throw it onto the truck and show you a little more about it. Okay, with 4 bolts fastened, we've got our GearPOD firmly attached to the forged bed rack. Again, we've got the grab handle here, so it should be unlocked. Open it up. Got our sturdy hinge supporting the lid. Quite a bit of cargo space available. For exact dimensions, go ahead and visit our website for the complete specs. Those are provided from Leitner, so therackshop.com, and you can just search GearPOD. So yeah, great way to easily store items at a convenient, easy to get to point. Again, just go ahead and close the lid, twist the handle, and then go ahead and lock it, and then it's ready to go. So there you go, quick and easy. The GearPOD from Leitner, also available in the GearPOD XL, which is quite a bit larger, roughly the size of this opening that you see here. Both are great options. Check out therackshop.com or come by our shop and see it in person.